Looking for a luxury vehicle with an outstanding service history? Check out this 1999 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E320 sedan, offering an amazing 61 service records and recent major service valued at over $1,132. This vehicle is a dealer-certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, at the time of sale, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, on top of the advertised price. Recent service includes spark plugs, front brake pads and rotors, a drive belt tensioner, serpentine belt, valve cover gaskets, air filter replacement, and more. We've also recharged the air conditioner refrigerant and completed a thorough pre-delivery inspection. We understand purchasing a car is a big decision. That's why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to give you peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, warranty, and 5-year service plan. Want even more coverage? Ask about upgrading your CPO warranty to a lifetime warranty option at a discounted rate. Visit us today and experience the luxury and reliability of this 1999 Mercedes-Benz E-Class.